Want to know if your German skills are improving and what your real learning level is? Get your language skills assessed with our free level assessment test. Just click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.
Hi everybody, my name is Katrin. Welcome to the 2000 Core German Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is Allergie. Allergy. Allergie. Allergie. Allergy. Pollenallergie. Allergy to pollen. Pollenallergie. Bordkarte. Boarding Pass. Bordkarte. Bordkarte. Boarding Pass. Die Bordkarte bitte. Boarding Pass, please. Die Bordkarte bitte. Bildung. Education. Bildung. Bildung. Education. Bildung und Ausbildung. Education and Training. Bildung und Ausbildung. Englisch. 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 Herr Suzuki unterrichtet Englisch. Mr. Suzuki teaches English. Herr Suzuki unterrichtet Englisch. Rechtswissenschaft. Law. Rechtswissenschaft. Rechtswissenschaft. Law. Rechtswissenschaft studieren. Study law. Rechtswissenschaft studieren. Flöte. Flute. Flöte. Flöte. Flute. Silberne Flöte. Silver flute. Silberne Flöte. IT-Abteilung. IT Department. IT-Abteilung. IT-Abteilung. IT Department. Rufe die IT-Abteilung an. Call the IT Department. Rufe die IT-Abteilung an. Geschäftsreise. Business Trip. Geschäftsreise. Geschäftsreise. Business Trip. Auf eine Geschäftsreise gehen. Go on a business trip. Auf eine Geschäftsreise gehen. Marketing. 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 Ich arbeite im Marketing. I work in marketing. Ich arbeite im Marketing. Beliebt. Popular. Beliebt. Beliebt. Popular. Beliebter Mann. Popular man. Beliebter Mann. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in German. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say allergy? Allergie. Allergie. And how to say boarding pass? Bordkarte. Bordkarte. What about education? Bildung. Bildung. Do you remember how to say English? English. English. Let's try law. Rechtswissenschaft. Rechtswissenschaft. What about flute? Flöte. Flöte. Now, let's see if you remember how to say ID department. IT-Abteilung. IT-Abteilung. Another one. What about business trip? Geschäftsreise. Geschäftsreise. Do you remember how to say marketing? Marketing. Marketing. And finally, do you remember how to say popular? Beliebt. Beliebt. Well done. See you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.
Did you take your free level assessment yet? Here's an extra bonus resource you'll get when you take the assessment. When you receive your result and learning level, you also unlock a free language course for your specific level, so you can start learning and level up your language skills. Just click the link in the description to get access.
Hi everybody, my name is Katrin. Welcome to the 2000 Core German Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is unbedeutend, insignificant, unbedeutend, unbedeutend, insignificant, unbedeutender Anteil, insignificant amount, unbedeutender Anteil, berühmt, famous, berühmt, berühmt, famous, berühmter Schauspieler, famous actor, berühmter Schauspieler, niesen, sneeze, niesen, niesen, sneeze. Die Frau niest. The woman is sneezing. Die Frau niest. Lässig. Casual. Lässig. Lässig. Casual. Lässige Kleidung. Casual clothing. Lässige Kleidung. Gitarre. Guitar. Gitarre. 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 Du spielst sehr gut Gitarre. You play the guitar very well. Du spielst sehr gut Gitarre. Atmen. Breathe. Atmen. Atmen. Breathe. Tief atmen. Breathe deeply. Tief atmen. Spucken. Spit. Spucken. Spucken. Spit. Kein Spucken. No spitting. Kein Spucken. Zahnarzt. Dentist. Zahnarzt. Zahnarzt. Dentist. Zum Zahnarzt gehen. See a dentist. Zum Zahnarzt gehen. Loch. Cavity. Loch. Loch. Cavity. Tiefes Loch. Deep cavity. Tiefes Loch. Asthma. 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 Asthma Inhalator. Asthma Inhaler. Asthma Inhalator.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your German skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language, discover your true learning level, and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.